Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Yes, in this video you are going to know what is English grammar. It has been made very easy for you in this video. So please don't skip this video. Please watch till the end. Now let us know what is English grammar. It is only one sentence, my dear friend. Yes, agreement of the verb with the subject is grammar. Agreement of the verb with the subject is grammar. Yes, we have to agreement the subject and the verb. That is grammar. That's it. Yes, how we have to agreement means, see here in subjects we have two subjects, singular subject and a plural subjects. And in verb also we will have, yes, singular verb and a plural verb. How we have to agreement means, see here we have to agreement singular verb with a singular subject with a singular verb and a plural subject with a plural verb. Like this you need to follow. Okay, like this you need to agreement. Okay, whenever you agreement like this means your English will be absolutely correct and perfect, my dear friend. Okay, see here, so many people think like this. Okay, when I'm speaking English, I make mistakes. I make many grammar mistakes. I cannot remember all the tenses, all the rules here. No, my dear friend, no worries here. You can remember only this rule here. What the rule means here, you have to agreement singular subject with singular verb and a plural subject with a plural verb, and your English will be correct and perfect. Okay, this is grammar. This is grammar. That's it. Okay, you need to agreement like this. So once again I will tell you what is English grammar means. See here, agreement of the verb with the subject is grammar. That's it. Yes, how we have to agreement means, we have to agreement the singular subject with the singular verb, plural subject with the plural verb. If you follow this very simple technique, simple rule in English means, no need to worry, no need to remember all the rules here, rules and regulation of this English here. Yes, your English will be correct when you follow, when you remember this rule, my dear friend. Okay, see here, what are the singular subjects then? What are the singular subjects then means? See here, let us know the singular subjects here. Yes, you have already known about these singular subjects and plural subjects here. Yes, let us know that. See here, singular subjects means what? He, she, it. Very simple. And I, we, you, they. These four are plural subjects and these three are singular subjects. Yes, whenever you are talking about singular subjects means you need to agreement this singular subject with singular verb only. Whenever you are talking about this plural subjects I, we, you, they means you have to agreement these four subjects with the plural verb only. Yes, you have to agreement like this. For example, here I will take has and have here. Can you tell? I will take here has and have. Can you tell what is singular verb here? What is plural verb here? Has and have. Okay, in this has and have, can you tell what is singular verb here? Can you tell what is plural verb here? Yes, has is a singular verb. Has is a singular verb, and have is what? Have is what? Plural verb. Okay, see here. Okay, note one point here. Do you want to remember singular verb means? Do you want to find out singular verb means? Here, every singular verb, yes, every singular verb ends with yes, letter yes. Yes, every singular verb ends with letter yes or es. Yes or es. Yes. Without yes or es, that is plural verb. With yes or es, that is singular verb. You need to note that point here. See here, has and have. See, has and have. Have is what? Plural verb here. So whenever you are talking about I have, we have, you have, they have means, that means have అంటే ఏంటి? లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో నేను చెప్పాను. హ్యావ్ అంటే ఏంటి అంటే కలిగి ఉండడం గురించి మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు చెప్తానని చెప్పాను, మనం మాట్లాడతామని చెప్పాను. నాకు కలిగి ఉంది అంటే ఐ హ్యావ్ అని వాడాలి. ఓకే, మాకు కలిగి ఉంది అంటే వీ హ్యావ్ అని వాడాలి. ఓకే, మీకు రైట్, నీకు కలిగి ఉంది లేదా మీకు కలిగింది అంటే యూ హ్యావ్ అని వాడాలి. వాళ్ళకి కలిగి ఉందంటే దే హ్యావ్ అని వాడాలి. సో whenever you're talking about these plural subjects, definitely you should use here plural verb here. Yes, ఇప్పుడు సింగులర్ కి కలిగి ఉందని చెప్పాలనుకోండి, సింగులర్ కి కలిగి ఉందని చెప్పాలి. ఎస్, అప్పుడు ఏం చెప్పాలి? హీ హ్యాస్, షీ హ్యాస్, ఇట్ హ్యాస్. యూ కెన్ మెన్షన్ హియర్ ఎనీ నేమ్ ఆల్సో, Ravi, Sita, Ramu, Lata, like that. You can keep any singular nouns you can mention there. Okay, Ravi has. Okay, and chancellor. Okay, so many times I have had. So many times I have had like this. He, instead of he has, that means I had so many times like that. He have, she have, right? Lata have. So instead of he has, she has, so many times I had like that. Okay, so don't use like that. That is absolutely wrong. Okay, he has, she has, not he have. He has a car, but you should not say, you should not tell, he have a car. She have a job. She have a job. No, she has a job. Understood? Right? Not job undi, I have a job. Mark job undi, we have a job. So like that you have to use your have and has here. Okay, remember these points here. So if you follow if you agreement like this, singular subject, singular verb, plural subject, plural verb, if you agreement correctly like this, means your English will be perfectly correct, my dear friends. Yes, those who are watching this video, please watch. Okay, please watch carefully. Yes, so please understand, please try to understand what I am telling here. Yes, he has, yes, she has. Okay, not Ravi have, not he have, not she have. Ravi has. Ravi has a bike. Okay, he has a mobile. She has a, she has a job. Okay, like that. I have a job. We have a job. Okay, you have good knowledge. Yes, they have money. Yes, like that. You need to use like this subject and verb here. Singular subject, singular verb, plural subject, plural verb. Like this, if you agreement means, yes, that will be, your sentence will be, your English will be grammatically, your sentence will be correct and perfect. Understood? And one more example, some more examples let us know now. Yes, for example, see here, comes, goes, does, eats, listens, plays. This and all what? Singular verb or plural verb? Just now I have told you. Singular verb means what? Every singular verb ends with yes. Letter S. Okay, yes, comes. Okay, goes. Okay, yes or es. Singular verb means is the word ends with yes or es. As eats, does. Okay, right, next, plays, cooks. Like this, So here without yes or yes, come, go, play, eat, do, cook. So these are plural verbs. These are what? Singular verbs. So singular verb you should agreement with singular subject. Plural verbs you should agreement with what? Plural subjects. Understood? So whenever you are speaking with, that means you are speaking about single subject means, you should agreement the single subject with single verb. Whenever you are talking about plural subjects means you have to agreement this plural subject with the plural verb. Okay, like this, if your agreement means, your English will be perfectly correct, my dear friends. Okay, this is what English grammar means. English grammar means agreement of the verb with the subject is grammar. That means singular subject with a singular verb we have to agreement, and a plural subject with a plural verb, like this we have to agreement. So if you follow this rule in English means, no need to worry about the mistakes here. Okay, you won't make any mistake. If you follow this very simple technique in English. Okay, in every time, present tense or past tense or future tense or whatever the tense it is. Okay, you should follow this rule: singular subject, singular verb, plural subject, plural verb, like this. So he comes, he eats, she goes, she does. Ravi plays, Ravi cooks. She cooks, she goes. Like that you have to tell. Not he come, right? He eat, she go. You should not tell like that. She go, she do. You should not tell like that. She does. Okay, she does delicious food. Okay, he goes to office every day, right? He plays cricket every evening, right. She eats, right. Ravi cooks, Ravi goes, Ravi comes. Lata cooks very well, like that. Here, coming to plural subjects, I come, we come, you go, they play, I eat, we do, you cook, they cook. Like that, you need to agreement like this, singular verb, so plural subject and plural verb like this. So if you agreement like this means, your English will be perfectly correct, my dear friends. I hope you understood this content, what is English grammar means. If you like this content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.